How to clean eyewear do's and don'ts. Do's. If there's debris trapped in the small nooks of your frame, try using a cotton swab to clean out these areas before the first rinse. If your glasses have nose pads, use a disposable moist towelette with rubbing alcohol to go above and beyond, but only use it on the pads and not the rest of the frame. Wash your microfiber cloths often. These cloths are experts at trapping dust and will eventually spread it around if they aren't kept clean themselves. Always rinse your glasses to get them wet before any vigorous wiping or rubbing. Cleaning glasses when they're dry often results in scraping and smearing debris. Don'ts. Don't wipe your lenses with part of your shirt or clothing. Clothing fabric isn't engineered to clean glasses lenses and can scratch them. Don't use any cleaning products other than mild soap or glasses cleaning solution to clean your glasses. Don't use your own saliva, either. That won't clean your lenses, it'll just add germs. Don't use disposable paper towels, tissue paper, toilet paper, or napkins to wipe your lenses. These products might feel soft, but they can scratch lenses and often leave bits of themselves behind when rubbed too vigorously. Don't use fabric softener or dryer sheets when you wash and dry your towels and microfiber cloths. The residue they leave on cloth can cause smearing on lenses. If you notice scratches on your lenses, do not try to rub or buff them out. Do not use ammonia, alkaline cleaners, abrasive cleaning compounds or solvents. Certain solvents may lower the impact resistance of these lenses. Honeywell offers lens cleaners that swiftly lifts and removes tough dirt such as solutions, towelettes, tissues, cloths, etc. Thank you for watching.